Well, welcome to Lesson 8, Part 1. In Lesson 8, Part 1, we'll have a look at verbal stems, and in Part 2, we'll have a look at weak verbs. Now, the topic of verb stems and weak verbs covered in this lesson often fill over half of any Hebrew textbook. In order to begin reading the Hebrew Bible, you should know what these things are, but you don't need to get bogged down in the details. Just be able to recognize them. The suggested exercises for Lesson 8 in Biblical Hebrew and Introductory Grammar by Paige H. Kelly, Lesson 14 and Lesson 16. Then if you want to get into the details of weak verbs and verb stems, then do all lessons from Lesson 17 to Lesson 31. And in the Basics of Biblical Hebrew Grammar by Gary D. Practico and Miles V. Van Pelt, Section 3, Introduction to Hebrew Verbs and the Kal Stem. Do exercises 14a and 14b, Kal Perfect Weak Verbs. Then, if you wish to have more practice with the weak verbs and verb stems, then do all of Section 4 lesson exercises. Section 4 is the Intro to Derived Stems. So let's have a look at verbal stems.